Hi, I'm Stone and welcome back to another episode of Inspiring Flights. In this video, we're going to talk about Nathan Griffin, also known as Grifflyer's P-39 Air Cobra. I felt inspired a couple weeks ago to build this airplane, and I really put my heart and soul into this plane. I'm still currently in the middle of putting decals on, but I have done panel lines, I've done orange on the prop, I have done everything I could to make it as scale as possible. I didn't have clear plastic to do a canopy with a pilot in it, but other than that, I have tried to make it as scale as possible. Oh, I still forgot to do the distress effects. But other than that, all that's left to do is fly, and I'm nervous because sometimes these warbirds can be tricky to fly, especially when they're small. So nothing better to it than to do it. Let's get it up in the air. All right, so I got quite a breeze. I tried to stay with the scale tricycle landing gear of the P-39 Air Cobra. Here we go. Whoa, it's up and it's flying great. Oh, wow. Whoa. It flies really good. Flies good, but it is squirrely. Needs a bit of click of trim. Here, let me get it back over here. Here she comes. Oh, she's pretty. Look at that. Oh, this thing's incredible. Here he comes. Here she comes in for a landing. Try and land her right here on the blacktop. Oh, that was pretty. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please consider subscribing and have a good day.